Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the SIM card from your Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to take out the SIM card, you will need to use the ejector pin, which is most of the time included in the box in the packaging. And then on the left side of the device, we have this panel, this over here, with the hole where we need to insert our pin. And then once we put it in, we need to push it until we hear a click, and the slot for the SIM card will be out. There we go. So a gentle push, and then we need to use our finger in order to take it out. Now over here we should have our SIM card. We can just take it out, and then we can insert back this thing for the cards back on. There you go, like so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.